Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you this exercise of how to create vehicles preventive maintenance overdue alerts. So what I got here is a complement or data set of comprised of fleet number, vehicle, make and model, driver and site. But what's important is the last two columns, which is the uh, column E and column F, last service odometer reading, and the vehicle current odometer reading. So at a first glance, you will not be able to see which of the vehicles are due for service or which vehicles are already overdue for preventive maintenance servicing. So if you are going to get this last service odometer reading, then you're gonna put up 5,000 kilometers. Why 5,000 kilometers? Because the service interval that I'm gonna implement is 5,000 kilometers. So if you see the result of the last service odometer plus 5,000 is due for service at 69,834 odometer reading. So already still okay because the current reading is 68,800. Okay, so how do I know that any of these vehicles are already overdue for PM servicing? So I'm gonna make it more visible. Okay, I'm gonna create a conditional formatting to put colors in order for me to be able to see which of the vehicles are overdue already for PM servicing. So I'm gonna highlight this. I'm gonna select all this, and other organizations are having more vehicles. Some companies are having 1,000 vehicles or more, so it would be difficult for the person monitoring the or tracking the overdue the vehicles overdue in PM servicing. So I'm gonna make it visible. So I'm gonna assign a color for this. So conditional formatting, I'm gonna open that. And then I'm gonna click the new rule. And then in the new rule, in this dialog box, I'm gonna click this use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I'm gonna click that. And then I'm gonna create a formula for this. So the formula will be equal sign, then open parenthesis, then it would be the column F minus column E2. Okay, and then I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna ask a question whether the result of the F2 minus E2 is greater or equal to 5,000 kilometers. See, I have decided to implement the 5,000 kilometers, but it is actually depending on the decision of the company management whether to implement 5,000, whether to implement more than 5,000, 9,000, 10,000 kilometers. So depending on the decision of the management, and it will be reflected in the company policy on the preventive maintenance, changing oil, changing filter of the vehicles on, and checking other components of the vehicles. Okay, so next I'm gonna assign a color to this. For the fill color, I'm gonna select the bright red color, and then for the font, to make it more visible, I'm gonna click the white color, and then gonna make it bold. Then I'm gonna click OK. You can see the preview that the text is already in white color and it's bold, and the fill color is already bright red. Then I'm gonna click OK. There it is. Okay, you got the vehicle that is already overdue, okay, or due for service, preventive maintenance servicing. So if you want to find out whether this is okay, just to verify, I'm gonna get this last odometer, last service odometer. I'm gonna add 5,000. Okay, there it is, 38,660. This is the due kilometers in the odometer due for service, preventive maintenance servicing. And the current odometer reading is already 39,000. Okay, it's has exceeded the 38,000 schedule. Okay, so you know already that it lapses the PM schedule. So what about this? I'm gonna try this one plus. Oh, not F4. It should be this. Then plus 5,000 kilometers. So you can change the in service interval. You can make it 9,000. You can make it 10,000. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna. Okay. Now the PM service odometer, the current odometer reading is 57,126, but the PM service supposed to be done on 58,241. So it's still okay because in the current reading you still have 57,126, but the next servicing odometer is 58,000, so that is still okay. So what is not okay is the one that is highlighted with red color, and that is already overdue. So this is the important thing in having the PM service alert. So this is it for our exercise. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.